Hi y'all, it's Casey. I'm here with my oldest, Lena, and today we are making refrigerator pickles. So these are cucumbers that we picked from our garden today, and I'm going to make pickles with them that you keep in your fridge. So these are not shelf stable canned pickles that you can put on the shelf and take them out next year and eat them. These you keep in the refrigerator and you should consume them within a week. But with a handy dandy reusable lid, they keep pretty well. And usually ours don't even last for a full week because everyone loves them so much. So the first step is we are going to chop all the cucumbers up.
This one.
Okay, so we've chopped everything. The cucumbers and onions are in the jar. We have enough for 4 jars this time. We're going to add black peppercorn. And this is mustard seed that we actually got at the farmer's market that was made in Lyons. And so we're gonna add some of that into these and then go make our vinegar and sugar and water brine over at the stove. Okay, so it is the next day and we are going to try our pickles. All right, thumbs up. This is actually our second jar to open in the last 15 minutes, so they're really good. Thanks, bye.